You don't know the components of what you're selling, how the hell can you sell it? What kind of flooring is this? It's vinyl laminate flooring, right? When you go into a house, you need to understand the difference between hardwood, between tile, and the different flooring. So why do we use this flooring? It's durable. Water can get on it and nothing's gonna happen to it. This is the best sort of flooring that you can utilize for the most inexpensive situation. Especially in a house like this that's not totally straight, this floor will just go with the house. If you use wood, wood would have a hard time on this. It would start to buckle and it wouldn't look right. So this is a laminate. When you have wood, you have pre-finished hardwood and you have old pine or oak. It's important to know with pre-finished hardwood, you typically don't get a chance to re-sand that, stain it, and poly it. It has one good coat on it and that's usually it. This stuff, you can't sand this down, you can't poly it. This is what it is, and it's either gonna last or not last. And if you wanna get rid of it, you have to take it out.